नहीं बल्कि निर्देशकों को भी इम्प्रेस कर देती है। यही वजह है कि पुष्पा में सुकुमार जी द्वारा लिखी गई श्रीवल्ली के किरदार में भी उन्होंने सभी का दिल जीत लिया। हाल ही में आई एनिमल फिल्म में भी अपने अभिनय से वाहवाही बटोरकर अब पुष्पा 2 के साथ हमारे सामने आ रही है। मॉडल लड़की हो या गांव की लड़की, हर रूप में अपनी सादगी से दिल जीत लेने वाली हमारी रश्मिका को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
कह ही दिया उन्होंने, देवी जी ने बोल ही दिया, किसी भी रूप में दिल जीत लेती है। और हमारी रश्मिका को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। हमारी रश्मिका को मैं मंच पे बुलाना चाहूंगा। सब एकदम ऐसे आराम से देखते रहे जी भर के।
May I just welcome all of you here. Thank you so much for joining us. Good evening to all of you. I hope you've all eaten well and I hope you're enjoying this event. Thank you for being a part of it. And yes, पहले तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मैं? Okay. First, I'll start off from I think the first shot you asked me about. I remember the first shot was in Pushpa 1 Shrivalli song. There's this paper, this thing I do, and I'm pouring that milk and all of that. I think that was the first day, and I was so nervous meeting Allu Arjun sir for the first day. I was like, now how do I react to sir? Okay, sir, like he's been a superstar for such a long time, so I was like, okay, no, I don't know how to react, I don't know how to behave and all of that, but that was the first day, that was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of sir, just his family, he's home, so the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of emotional ride, I should say. But today here we are, and he's always going to be super special. So
you welcomed you.
Yeah,
so now how does it feel?
A lot's changed, that's for sure. लेकिन जब भी ना मैं फिल्म शूट के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए, I used to just be asked one question, कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today, with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
अब बात समझ में आ गई हम सबको। Of course, she said it. अब समझ में आ गई। Talk to us about this amazing filmmaker, Sukumar sir.
How you just said, no matter how many words, it's all too short for him. He's, in simple one-liner, I would just like to say he's a genius. I feel like he's not from Earth, he's from somewhere else. But he's just born as a human being and some other soul is just, he's a genius.
वो सामने नहीं आते हैं, मतलब ऐसा we don't get to meet him. What is this?
Sir, we should really plan to get
है ना, we have to do something with Sukumar sir because we've been waiting to talk to him. Of course, anyone and everyone over here. कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की, इस 5 साल की जर्नी की, that will always stay with you?
This 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. लेकिन this, like 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very, very sad that it's ended, but I'm very, very excited that it's finally coming out. So I am a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but Yeah, I'm hoping that I will get to work with the team lot many more times.
I'm sure. मैं तो खत्म हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ,
सबके लिए.
मेरा हो गया. ओके, जाते जाते of course.
Hi guys. Are you all waiting for the release? Are you go watch? I'll be looking forward for all your reviews, huh? Yeah, I really will because I know every time I spoke to all of you guys, you were only asking when is Pushpa 2 coming, when is Pushpa 2 coming. So finally it is releasing. Now please watch it on in the theaters on December 5th, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. Bas, I'll stop.
She said it. Bas.